we have one more arithmetic problem. A positive integer n is greater than 1, so n can range from 1 to infinity, but afterwards we are given a limit 100. That's not so important. Is called beautiful if n can be written in only one and one way, as n equals a1 plus a2 plus till ak, which is equal to a1 into a2 into up till ak. Now this is satisfied for some positive integers a1, a2 up till ak, where k is greater than 1, and these numbers should be in this order. So we can say it is a1 is greater than so on. But this does not make much sense to us, because when we get the factors, we can always arrange them in this order. So what does this part mean? And what does this mean? So for example, we have, for example, any prime number, for example 97. 97 is a prime number. So we can write it as 97 into 1. But here k is 0. Because when we write it as, it will not be equal to 97 into plus 1. Therefore, prime numbers are not allowed. We can infer prime numbers cannot be the solution. Now, in only one way means 6, which is can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, or as 3 plus 2 plus 1. So, here the same numbers we have multiplied once and added once. Here you can notice that for 6 you have none other configuration except for this. But in the case of 8, what can you write it as? 4 into 2 into 1 into 1. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. And the other configuration we have is 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 into 1 equals 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So here you can also infer that if it is a number, if the n has two prime factors x and y such that both of them are co-prime, means x and y don't have any common factor, they are relatively prime to each another and also independently prime, then n can be a beautiful number. So for example 6 can be a beautiful number, but 8 cannot be, because it has two possible arrangements. In any number which has more than two prime factors, there will be more than one possible arrangement. You can try with any number, but for 10 it has only 2 and 5. So 2 into 5, and you can add n number of ones. Here we will add 3, because when we sum these, we have to get 10. Isn't that interesting? So now let's try with it. It should be less than 100. So first of all we will try with 100, then 99, then 98, and so on. Now with 100, it is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So its number of factors we can also calculate. 5 square, that is 2 plus 1 square. So we have 9 factors here. There are far more than 2. So the next number 99, it also has 3 factors. 3 into 3 into 3 prime factors, means 2 prime factors, one is repeated. So this will also not do our work. 98, again we have 7 into 7 into 2. This will also not do. Now 97. 97, as we said before, this is a prime. So when you will try to write 97 equals a1 plus a2, then you have only one option, 97 plus 0. Now 97 into 0 is 0. So you cannot satisfy with 97. It has less than 1. The other which we saw, 100, 99 and 98, that more than 2 possible arrangements. Now the next number we will go down, 95. Oh, 95 is interesting. We get 19 into 5. What is the sum of 19 and 5? Yeah, it's 24. Because in 96 we had 2 raised to power 5 into 3. So this was also not possible because it has far more than 2. There are 6 factors. In 95 it satisfies. So how can we write it as 95 equals 19 into 5 into 1. How many ones? Yes, you can calculate. It's 71 ones. And when you will add that, you will get 19 plus 5 plus 71 ones, that is 71. You can add it to get 95 again. Wasn't that interesting? Yes, you can try with more numbers with a limit of 200, 300 or so on, and you will get a different result. Bye, have a nice day.